Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become blooming flower human using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to visit Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign in to get free credits and go to the home menu. Add your prompt here. You can use my prompt if you want. Then I'm going to upload my video and I'm going to submit it to the AI. Hold on guys, I'm still choosing the photo. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. And then I'm going to send the photo and also the prompt to AI. And hold on. Alright, and this is the result. I'm going to choose one of them. I think I like this one, so I'm going to choose this one. If you want to download it, you can click on this download button. And if you're not satisfied, you can click on regenerate here. Okay guys, and that's how you can become blooming flower human using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!